Hi, this is Saad at Johnson RV down here in Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned motorhomes. Today I will be showing you the 2016 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB, which is the Murphy bed edition. First off, you got the Mercedes 3-liter V6 underneath the hood here with the Sprinter chassis. So it's a very reliable, durable engine and chassis combination. Pretty much everybody is, working on this. Right down below, you have the aluminum Alcoa rims throughout, lightweight and strong at the same time. You got the integrated steps here for the front. And just take a look at the front there. This is considered a B+, folks. Very aerodynamic. It's a one-piece fiberglass. And look at this. Continuation from the cab area to the back. You got awning on the outside. It's powered awning with LED lights built into it. The handle itself lights up so that way you know what to grab at nighttime. LED lights on this side also. The wonderful thing about a Class B motorhome is storage on the outside. This gives you all that storage on the outside. You got 110 here. Refrigerator exhaust and freezer exhaust is on this side. And one thing about Leisure Travel is that the construction is by far one of the best out there. You got vacuum bonded walls, so it's strong. It's gonna last you years and years to come. Again, aluminum Alcoa wheels, dually wheels back here to give you that stability. This is the exhaust for your furnace. And then this unit does come with 3600 watt propane generator. All right. Additional outside storage here. Look at that. Amazing. You also have LED lights as well back here. All right. And another little cubby storage right here. They just maximize the amount of storage that you get for this little unit. It's only 25 feet long, so very practical to have. The rear portion of it is a fiberglass cap, 2 pieces. One big piece on top and one small piece in the bottom. So the reason why they did that is in case of any accidents in the bottom portion, you don't have to replace the whole thing, just this bottom. All right, let's go ahead and head this way. On the utility side, this unit does have that one slide with the slide awning on top of it as well. Very efficient slide system. So it's an electric Schwintek system. It's on a gear mechanism, goes in and out with ease. Let's go ahead and take a look at the storage, not storage, but utility area. This back area here, you have your outside shower, you have your tank fill, your city fill. It's all labeled for you. Propane fill is on this side as well, so all the business is handled in one area. We'll close that. Let's step over this way. This one is plugged in to 30 amp. So you can bridge it down to 110 if you wanted to. That's in case if you go to a friend's house or brother or sister's house, you need to plug into their power. Simple. Bridge it down to 110, hook it up to their house. All right, and then on this unit, additional storage underneath the slide itself. Look at that. It goes. Let's see. There you go. One storage, and the other storage is right here, and then it does have a sewer hose storage, so that way it keeps it away from everything. All right. Let's go ahead and head inside and see what this Leisure Travel has to offer. All right, so we're inside of the 2016 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. This unit has options like the glamour packages on the cabinetry, so it's nice and white finishes. All the wood that they use are solid wood. There's 7 layers of plywood on here, so it's going to be really strong. You got storage up front, there, and here as well. Your entertainment's right up here as well. Nice soft close to it. More storage. Now I want to show you the cab area. Both of these seats do swivel around. Look at that. Swings around with ease. You got nice ultra leather as well, so it's man-made leather system that's going to be breathable, made for high traffic, and if you spill anything on it, it just simply wipes off, so it doesn't get dirty as much as real leather does. Look at all the room that you get in the front here. You got backup camera and navigation on that screen there. Privacy curtain on each side that will track and meet in the middle. Okay, let's take a look at the this side here. This is your TV. So TV wise, when you don't need it, you have a nice countertop, but you can still watch TV under this panel area right here. But if you want to bring it up, simple push of a button, you have TV right there at a better height. Okay. Yeah, more storage. Oh, before we go on, let me show you the panels. So this is your slide control, in and out button. Stabilizing jack. So there's only two stabilizing jack that's located right in the middle between the front and rear wheels. Once you put that down, it stabilizes you. It doesn't wobble. It's not leveling. It only stabilizes you. This is the Atwood hot water system. You can use electric or propane or a combination of both. Tank level monitors are right here. Generator control. Look at that. Only 3 hours on this generator. So it's not even used, barely used. You got a 1000 watt inverter on here as well. With, okay. Then you get the storage on top. You got really nice finishes to it. You got accent lights as well. Along here, you'll get the microwave convection oven, so you can bake in this. 3-way fridge and freezer. And putting this up for you. Great size for something this small. Then you get the pantry space. Look at that. Wow. And then the one thing about the 24MB is the huge bathroom that you get with the storage as well. Let's go inside and see what it has. Look at this. Look at all that storage. Wardrobe. Underneath the wardrobe as well. More drawers. It's amazing what they offer. That. Every nook and cranny is used. You have the Korean countertop here for the bathroom sink. Nice residential style faucet. GFI connections right there. Here's your medicine cabinet. Yeah. And the shower, yeah, it's a dry bath. So you can hop into this shower. Look at how much, my arms are all stretched out. I'm 5'8". I still have that much room left. Look at that. Amazing. You got the porcelain toilet as well. There you go. And sliding privacy door here. You got a fantastic fan in the bathroom and in the living area. So 2 fantastic fans that you have to draw out that air. And in the kitchen here, look at this kitchen. Korean countertop, built-in garbage can there. Nice window, more storage on top. But look at the sink. Look how big that sink is. Amazing. And storage down below with contoured cabinetry. Extension for the kitchen. And then you got the 2 burner system as well. But let's focus on the dining area here. This leisure lounge was a huge option for this particular unit. So it's not the dinette type of on the slide, but it's a leisure lounge is what they call it. So the chairs itself do pivot into 3 positions towards each other like this. Okay. Or you can put it on an angle like this, or all the way where you're facing towards the TV. And it does come with a leg rest as well. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? And then you can put up your armrest here and one on the other side as well. So once we put this down, we will set up the table for you. That. We'll open this up. Open this and release. See how easy that is. We'll close that. There you go. Now you got a dinette. How simple was that? And then when you need to set up the table, quick release of this, put this up, in, close, bam. We'll turn this around, take the cushions out, the bed comes down. Very easy. This unit does even come with the skylight, with the nightshade and bug net as well. AC is mounted on top. It does have that heat pump as well, so you have heat sources from up there and down from below. So you have dual heat sources on this. This is Saad at Johnson RV down here in Fife, Washington. Please give me a call at 253-286-0833. Thank you.